In this video, I will show you how to upload IGTV video on Instagram. Firstly, get into your profile selection on your Instagram profile, then tap on your right upper side on the first selection, which is with the plus icon. Just go for it, and simply, as you can see, you have all these selections. Go for Reel, the first selection. Just go for it. And simply right after you get here, you need to check out for the video selection if you take for your left wing to get from your gallery, or simply if you take it right now. When I take it right now, just simply go preview. You can take off the video, then simply you go next when you're ready, and you can take the caption whatever you want, and simply just go share to Reels. And right here you'll need to wait to get to the full appointment to get to upload that selection. Now just get back and just take some refreshes to get to the main point. And as you go right here on Reels, as you can see, it is right here. Yeah, of course. And now guys, you know how to upload IGTV video on Instagram.